Refreshing data in Looker Studio ensures that your reports display the latest information from your connected data sources. Here's how to refresh data. Automatic data refresh, real-time connection. Looker Studio automatically refreshes data in most cases if your data source is set to pull real-time or near real-time data. Default refresh intervals. Some data sources, such as Google Analytics, automatically refresh every 15 minutes. Others may have different refresh intervals. Manual data refresh. Open the report. Go to Looker Studio and open the report where you want to refresh the data. Refresh button. In view mode, click the Refresh Data button located in the toolbar at the top of the report. This forces a manual refresh of all connected data sources. Set data freshness for extracted data. Data source settings. Go to Resource, manage edit data sources. Edit data source. For extracted data sources, click Edit and adjust the data freshness setting to refresh daily, hourly, or as needed.